In today's video, I'm going to teach you some quick fixes to try if you're experiencing issues while browsing the internet. It's quite common for old or corrupt data stored by your browser to cause problems, such as slow performance or even blocking access to certain sites. One of the simplest and often most effective solutions is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Here's how you can do it step by step. First, let's navigate to your browser settings. If you're using Chrome, you'll want to start by going to the top right corner of your browser window. Here, you'll see three dots stacked on top of each other. This is essentially the menu for Chrome settings. Give that a click and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, look for the option called Settings. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be redirected to a new tab with a list of various settings you can adjust. Once you're in the settings, focus your attention on the section called Privacy and Security. This is where you control how your browser interacts with the sites you visit, storing various pieces of information to make your browsing experience smoother and faster. Frequently, however, old or corrupt cookies can become a burden rather than a help. In the privacy and security area, you will see an option labeled Clear Browsing Data. Click on this option and you'll be taken to another screen where you can decide what exactly needs clearing. Here, there are several types of data that your browser stores, but for our purpose, you're going to want to select the boxes labeled Cookies and Cached Images and Files. By selecting these, you are choosing to delete all the stored cookies and any cached images or files, which usually take up space and can sometimes conflict with newer updates from the websites you visit. After making your selections, look for the button that says Clear Data and give it a click. It might take a few moments depending on how much data is actually stored, so be patient. Once it has finished clearing everything, it's a good idea to restart your browser to ensure that all these changes take effect. Close out of Chrome entirely and then open it back up. This process effectively starts your browser with a clean slate, removing any barriers that old cookies and cache files may have been causing. By doing this, you should see significant improvement in how well websites load and function, as well as perhaps a boost in the overall speed of your internet experience. The simple maintenance task can often solve a variety of issues and is a great first step if you're having trouble accessing a site or just dealing with a browser that feels sluggish.